So guys, I got it. I got the tripod and the camera. I have a receipt in here and the camera. I took HX80. I supposed to get Panasonic Lumix, but I got this one because in the other one the focus is so slow, so I got this one. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you everything, guys, because I need to leave soon as well, because yeah, I'm meeting my friend and you will go with me, so I'm going back, guys. So let's do it again together. So this is sticker, which I hate. I'm so excited. I was like on the way to home and I couldn't scream because I was in that drum, but I was like, I wanted to scream because I really wanted to do that for a long time from now. I was like, maybe next time, maybe later, maybe not this time, but I feel like now's the right time to do this. Okay, got it. The other side as well. They are terrible. I hate when they are doing this. They are doing it. Okay, got it. So of course I break it already. It doesn't matter. So the color is, I guess, red, like in here. Yeah. I'm supposed to get another one, but this one is longer. So it looks like this, and you can do everything with it. So I thought it's a good idea, and yeah, you can do like this. And it's supposed to go down. Maybe no. No, I think it's like this. Yeah, I think so. So anyway, that's how it is. That's how it looks like. You can have it as you want. Pretty comfortable. We will see how it's gonna be with the camera. So now another sticker, which I have to break. 1 second. I'll do that by fork. Okay. So we got it. We can open it. And dun, dun, dun. Guys, I'm really so excited. So of course we have instruction and all the Wi-Fi, all the things that I need. There's another one. Whoa, pretty big. So instructions. And then we are going to the box, which is like this. And you have a charger, USB, this for hanging the camera, battery, which is pretty small, and camera itself. Really so excited. Guys, I got it. I cannot believe that I got it, you know, because I was like really waiting for a long time, and I was waiting for the right moment. And yeah, let's see. I need to put the camera and the battery in there, which I don't know if it's charged, but we will see. Oops. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or not. It's charged. I mean, I guess. Yeah. So let's say I will choose my language, which I will leave English. Okay. Okay, I will set everything up and I will come back. So guys, I already set everything up. Now I need to remember for look here, not look here. And I'm gonna record in both sides so you're gonna see the difference. I'm sorry about my dog, but he's playing around. And yeah, I set it up on my tripod, like you can see. I really like it. I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm gonna go to different lights. So that's how it looks like. Oops. And I'm really so excited. I have a lot of ideas for videos. I'm gonna play with the settings, play with everything, and I'm gonna show you now in different light as well. So that's how it looks like in different light. I'm gonna record my morning makeup. My god guys, you cannot imagine how happy I am. You really cannot imagine. I'm gonna check the Cairo. I'm gonna check the volume, the everything. I'm gonna play around with the settings right now. I'm gonna just put it in one place for now. Okay. Alright. So that's how it looks like. I'm gonna close the bathroom. And yeah, make sure guys that we're gonna have a lot of videos. For now I'm going to take you guys for Berlin tour. I'm going to the center with my friends, so make sure you are watching because I will make two videos. So this one will be unboxing and fast review about the camera. I'm gonna tell you guys more about the camera when I will use it more and I will know the stuff more. But for now, thank you guys for watching and I will see you soon.